Hi, this is just me explaining this lesson on pressure once again. So the first thing we need to remember that pressure depends on two things. So pressure is basically how hard you push down on something and over what area are you pushing it down on. So the push force and the area, these are the two things. And pressure is calculated by dividing force by area. Now, if you know the mass, then the way that we get the force is weight force or gravity force. So it's mass times g, and this value for g is 10 meters per second squared or 10 newtons per kilogram. Okay, so the problems on pressure is over here. The first one, a drawing pin with a point area of 1 times 10 to the power of negative 8 meters squared is pushed into a notice board with a force of 50 newtons. So pressure is force over area. Now this is the area and that's the force because force is measured in newtons. So when you divide 50 newtons by 1 times 10 to the power of negative 8, you get this answer with lots and lots of zeros. You count the number of zeros and there are 9 of them. So it's 5 times 10 to the power of 9 Newton per meter squared, or you can use the unit Pascal. And then an elephant and a girl are standing on a circus platform. The mass of the elephant is 6,000 kilograms and the girl is only 60 kilograms. The area of the elephant's feet are 600 centimeters square, and that of the girl's feet is only 0.6 centimeters squared. Now the first thing is we need to convert the centimeter squared to meter squared. So how do we get centimeter squared? Centimeter squared is 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter. That's how you get 1 centimeter square. So if you convert the 1 centimeter is 1 divided by 100 meters. And when you divide 1 by 100, you get 0.1. So it's 0.1 times 0.1. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places. And that's how we go back 4 decimal places here. And so we do the same thing. Pressure by the elephant's foot is force of the elephant. So that's the mass times g is 10 divided by the area, and you get this answer. And then same thing for the girl. Girl's mass is 60. Value of g is 10 divided by the area, and you get the girl's pressure. Now the girl's pressure is much more than the elephant's foot's pressure, even though she has less mass because the area is so much smaller. So the girl's foot will cause more damage. And